So, right before I started filming, the label just popped off. I'm gonna put that back on after I finish cleaning this one up. See, very dusty. This is gonna be the next color that I play with and swatch because I think it's a pretty fall color. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna clean the dust off with like acetone because there might be polish on the bottle too. Sometimes, yeah, like right here, some polish on the bottle. And then, this one is also not that bad and isn't really gonna need that much rehydration. This one is slightly chunkier than the other color that I did. I can't think of the name off the top of my head. It was like steel something. I don't know. So this one's only a little bit thicker. And the last one I gave it 5 drops. This one I think I'll do 10. I think that was 10. If it was a little bit more than 10, that's okay too. Gotta invest in one of those shaker machines. Oh, this one doesn't seem to have a ball in it like the other one. Interesting. Can I find... Wait. Hold on, let me see if I could find the other one. 1 second. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, this one clearly has a mixing ball in it. You hear that? And this one does not. I wonder... The bottom of it is a little bit dried up, it looks like. It's the magnet. Move the polish around with it. No, this one is a little bit drier than the one I swatched the other day, Steel of the Night. I may actually put more thinner in it then, because I think it actually maybe dried up on the sides, and that's why it's kind of chunky. So like the polish that's dried up is gonna absorb that thinner that I just added, because it will like almost eat it. Ooh, lots of dust in the little crack areas. It's kind of crazy. I wish I had something. Oh, if I had my pen. Oh, there it is. 1 second. I can probably get some more of that stuff out. Yeah, there we go. Dust is coming out. But yeah, it doesn't really want to get on the other side. This side has enough space to do that. Wrap it with like a flat edge to get in there. That looks a lot better than before. Let's see how this is coming after adding 10 drops. Okay, it's now the consistency of the other one, but the sides are still kind of dry. Or maybe not. Hold on. If I hold the magnet and kind of swirl it around, maybe that'll help mix the polish from the side walls into the regular polish. I really need to invest in a stronger magnet. The only thing is, I don't know what would be good. Because there's so many choices when you Google online. It's like, how do you know what's good and at a decent price and you won't get ripped off? You know what I mean? I mean, I think that's pretty much done. I'm gonna let this sit overnight also before I do the official swatch tomorrow. Oh, that's another thing. Let's reattach the label. I'm just gonna use Elmer's glue to reattach it. I don't think it, I mean, I don't know what kind of sticky stuff they used originally, but I think that should do. Coppin' Attitude. Oh, I don't know if I said what the shade name was in the beginning of the video. Sorry about that. Alright, that's pretty much it. We'll be swatching this tomorrow, or today, whenever this video goes up. Okay, see you guys later. Bye!